Watch how I make this rag rug. Kitty Kitty was a great help. I tore up 2 queen-size sheets, one white with stripes and the other solid brown. I didn't record the beginning, so if you want to learn how to make a knot rug from beginning to end, there are a lot of tutorials on YouTube. See the description below for a link to the one that helped me the most. This rug took me 1 week to make at about 2 hours a night. I made this for my father for Father's Day. I hope he likes it. Here's the final product. You like my new shoes?
Start over.